Hello guys, so this is my 2012 Kia Optima. Now the issue with this car I have is my side heated mirrors don't work on both sides. So this side is nice and warm, but the driver's side I'm having issues, it's not working. So I had it run for a while, left it on defrost, so the passenger side is all nice and warm, but the driver's side is still not working. So this is really good if you have side heated mirrors, especially in cold frosty mornings. So we'll try to fix that. Hopefully it's just a small issue, wire off or something. So let's get into it. Borrowed wife's hair dryer just to keep it warm, so all the plastics are nice and easy when we pull it out. Should be just sitting on little plastic tabs. So it's still not heating up. What I'll do, I'll check if we've got voltage coming in here, and if it does, then probably that element's gone. Hopefully it's just a wee electrical issue. So let's see how we go. Okay, I should be getting 12 volts DC, something 12-13 volts. Yeah, got 14.07. I'm doubting this element is broken or something. Yep, nah. I think the element is gone, so there's no way I can change it because it's so plastic. The time I start taking it off, it will just break off. I'll probably have to order a new one. Should get a replacement. Right, let's see how we go when we get the replacement. So this is the original side mirror, and that's the aftermarket replacement one. Everything looks similar except it's got that clip here, so I might just transfer it over. I'll take this one out, this should go there, and I'll plug it in, see how it goes. That should do it. Okay. It's on. And when I go for the defrost on, see if it heats up. Oh, yes. Starting to feel a bit warm. That's actually pretty quick. Yeah, that's warm. Let's try the other side. It's a bit slow, but it's warming up. That side is pretty quick now. Just want to show you guys what the next project's going on at home. So this is my garage. Sort of not a garage anymore, sort of like a living area. Got a pool table there, cooking, the sink bench, tables. So the floor was bare floor, concrete floor with paint on it, and I've started to install this carpet in it. Put some tiles under here for the new stove, and yeah, that's what's been happening from last week. I started there and got up till here. Might hit this corner. Might have to do some cuttings along this edge here, and have to seal this garage door because I've got draft coming in. I've ordered this door sealer. Should be here in a couple of days, and then I'll have to size these up, cut the new carpet, and finish this, and should be nice once it's all up and running. Yeah, alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys later.